Okay, we've reached high tide time. I'm gonna video through some goggles so you can see better, but I can't zoom in, so okay, there we go. So this is down by the beach house. I don't know if you can see the waves. I'm actually out on my balcony, but so this is directly in front of my apartment. It's almost reaching the wall, but high tide usually lasts for a couple hours, so I would expect this to come over the wall at some point. I'll zoom in on the beach house. You can see the snow literally up the wall. It is really freaking cold out here. This is down. The snow drew. Oh, that's stairs, but you can't really tell. And yes, it's still snowing quite rapidly. So here's my balcony. And as you can see a perspective, there's Isis. Hi! So yeah, if it gets any worse, I'll video some more. It's the first time I've ever seen this high of waves, especially this much snow on the beach. So pretty crazy out here.